Hey guys, it's Katie,
And Kim.
and we're at my friend's house.
Named
And-
Fabios Morales.
And so like we're okay. So here, introduce yourself.
I'm Fabio.
No, you.
Who am I?
What's your name?
I am
Her name's Gabby.
Chewy.
I am Fabio.
Her name's
Chewy.
Madison.
No, I'm goat cheese.
Okay. Her name's okay. The first one was Gabby. Second one's Madison. Clear that up.
First one is goat cheese. Second one.
Gabby has a boot.
Vincenzo's.
Okay, so guys,
Vincenzo.
Vincenzo Marella.
guys, okay.
So Nathan, don't all the way up.
Okay, so we're like, so we were hanging outside. What what time is it?
Run around.
I will see.
Okay, it's 9:21.
No, it's 9:16.
9:21.
9:16.
Your phone is wrong. Here.
No,
what's mine
your
say?
phone will say the same as mine.
Okay, you know what?
9:16.
Oh, guys, 9:16.
9:16.
Okay, and we were outside,
Your
and it's
clock is
like
wrong.
freezing.
And
And
the stop sign.
our neighbors, like all the guys, they were outside, and so now we're like,
Wait.
that was a pen. Okay.
Look.
So now we're like gonna play a prank on him. So yeah, I just thought
I have an action figure.
it's Ahmed,
Hey,
the dead
really?
terrorist. Okay, so yeah, I just thought I'd let you know. So talk to you guys later. Bye.